Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. Buc-ee's, Brunswick, Georgia. I-95 at Georgia 99. I think this is exit 42. We're going to go in. When we come back out, I think we're going to have some fun with these crazy birds. We got some bread here we throw out. They'll cover this thing up. There must be a couple of hundred of this hanging out all around the place. Let's throw a piece out now and see what we get. I bet they're watching. They know that one right there. Look at him. He knows I'm about to put some bread out here. That rascal knows what's going on. You hear him talking? He's watching. He's getting ready. He wants to, and there's one over here on the right. He's watching too. Teasing them. I'll wait till he gets by. The birds would have been swarming him. Watch them. Here they come. All over the van now. Take it out of my hand. Oh. They're all over the place. Can anyone say Alfred Hitchcock? Okay guys, that's about it for right now.